Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today is something very easy, taste lamb kofta. Super nice, delicious. I'm gonna show you now what we need for making it. Of course we need minced lamb, this is a kilo. Of course ask your butcher to don't make too lean meat. This is like 60 lean and 40 a little bit more fatty. Salt, pepper, how much you like. Is 1.5 teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 spoons of fresh coriander, is 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1.5 teaspoon of red paprika. I'm gonna use 2 garlic, 80 grams of onion, and a nice bunch of fresh parsley. This is all the ingredient we need for this kofta. What we're gonna do now? We're gonna mix everything. Hello. I'm start from half teaspoon of salt. Later we try a little bit of pepper. This always, guys, how much you like, okay? All the rest. Chilli flakes, cumin, coriander, paprika, parsley, and this we're gonna pan fry. They're easy but very tasty. Onion, the garlic, you can crack, you can chop it, or you can grate like I do. I put 2. If you like 1, put 1. If you like 3, or if you don't like, don't put it. As always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends if you can, subscribe on the channel, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. We're gonna mix everything. I'm gonna use the hand because this is the best way to mix properly everything, you know? Take your time, make a nice mix. Already look nice, okay? Put some oil in your hand and we start. Take some meat. Well, here the form, you can make balls, you can make like this, you can make on the stick, but anyway, you can make any shape you like. I'm gonna make like this, like little burger, easy to cook, okay? You're not gonna be precise, more or less. 2 or 3 per person, you know? Press a little bit with your finger, and then later we gonna pan fry this one. Guys, it's already super nice, And now, make for next step, okay? We're gonna pan fry. Okay guys, my kofta, they're ready. Look how beautiful they are. And now we're gonna pan fry it. A little touch of oil, not a lot. We start putting it inside, okay? You know? 2. It's gonna be around 2.5 minutes per side, not more. Later, depend how do you like, This is personal. Okay. I'm start cooking this, and later I'm gonna show you when I flip them. I think they're gonna be absolutely al bacio. And now it's time to flip. Yeah, when it's like something like that, it's perfect. you want, okay? Oh, look there, looks fantastic. Cook all your kofta, and when we finish, see you later. We're gonna try this. Absolutely, I cannot. I'm start drooling, but I cannot wait. Guys, my kofta, they're ready. Absolutely delicious. I'm so proud of this. Beautiful. They look amazing. Now it's time to try it. Oh yeah. Wow, oh yeah. Juicy, oh yeah. Very, very nice. Very, very. I'm happy. And now wow. Yes, a masterpiece. Wow. Absolutely. Absolutely delicious. Wow. You have to try it. Wow. Guys, what can I say? Piero's kofta, lamb kofta is this. Always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.